All right, let's see if this link works a little better. Hopefully it's clear already. Um hopefully everybody's able to comment. Everybody's able to like or whatever you need to do cuz yeah, I appreciate, the positive, and I'll deal with the negative too. I'm all ears. I'm not afraid of the smoke. What up though? What's good, Ish? What's up, Tarika? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Hopefully y'all had a blessed day. I know I did. I went and got my hair done, you know what I'm saying? Your boy's back. I'm looking good. Nice and fresh.
You be feeding. Why are you looking over here? You be feeding.
Just saying. I think I was having a rough week because I wasn't cleaned up. I'm nice and cleaned up now. Dang, I don't know which one is mine. Um, Sleepy is up. Okay. She not asleep today, y'all. She not sleeping today, y'all. She up today. She up. She don't. Yo, y'all remember last night when I was talking about how I made, the 1500 two bands, and she just woke up. She think I was playing. Y'all seen her? Y'all heard that right on the stream?
That's that because she chewing on me.
She was sleeping. I was talking for almost an hour. She said nothing. Look, Teresa said she remember. Out of nowhere, I'm talking about payouts. Yeah, I made 1500 two bands. She like, two? How you wake up in the middle of your sleep? Two? Chatting, and that's all she heard. Yo, she's up now. She up today. But yeah, let's have a good day, y'all. All right, I already been chatting for a minute. We had like some issues with my internet, and then I don't know. So hopefully it's not blurry. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Hopefully you guys are able to comment and do whatever. So yeah. Let's end the week off like good, y'all. Let's end the week off, with a bang. It has I've been getting chopped up. I have been getting chopped up. I haven't had one of my best weeks. Why you do that?
So I can see your whole head. It's just like your forehead. So
Oh, you want to see my whole head?
yeah.
Y'all see this? She can see my whole body right now. She trying to help y'all out. She want y'all to see my whole head, I guess. I mean, she did do her thing today. Yeah. All right, come on. Let's get. You pick up the style. All right, I'll give you that. All right, so yeah, so let's. I just want to do a recap of. I'm gonna do a recap of like. I mean, this week, I guess. On the session, I haven't really been catching the bangers that I've been catching before. I really started streaming. I mean, I've been recording these streams, but these past 2 weeks, obviously, I met a lot of new people, a lot of cool people. And so I wanna make sure that everybody's getting taken care of. I know some people that be on the stream and y'all making money just off the bot, like without whatever I'm taking, but you know, personally, I've been getting chopped up, and y'all have seen it firsthand. So, we're gonna end the week off good. We're gonna end the week off good. We're not gonna have no excuses. We're just gonna keep going. And if you're on my Discord, then you know, like every Sunday, I drop a scripture, right? And it's crazy because I needed that scripture for this week. I didn't know I was gonna have the week I was gonna have, and I'm just it's just crazy. It is crazy how it's like a full circle, moment with that. So, yeah, we're just gonna keep going. Wait, I feel like lately I've been missing the best spot callouts on or off stream. Yeah, same. Cause even when we was on stream, I'm chatting, right? I'm like, all right, we waiting for this, blah blah blah. And then it will call out something, but like it's already like gone. And then the next time it calls it out, it's nah, it wasn't hitting. So like it's just, I'm thinking it's just like, a lot. I don't know what's going on right now. This whole week, just even outside of trading, just like in general, if I'm speaking like, you know, like this whole week just it's been choppy, even outside the markets. That makes sense. So, I'm gonna just keep pushing. I'm not like gonna let, you know, this turbulence stop me from, breaking structure. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like we're gonna we're gonna keep going. It's the last trading session that I'm gonna have for this week, and I'll be back Monday. But yeah, I'm gonna keep enjoying my life. I'm not gonna get too stressed out. I'm just gonna keep going. Right? Stuff happens. Gotta get up and do what you gotta do. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into these charts. I've been doing enough chatting already. It's been like 30 minutes. I was supposed to be in start, but hopefully y'all all had a good day. Um, but let's have some fun tonight. Like I said, I already caught some shorts. I'll go over that, why I took those trades. But I really want to start off with the 4 hour time frame. So like I see like where price is right now. Um, we're in a 4 hour demand zone. So if price gets broken out with the 15-minute candle, I will start looking to play in between this zone, like of this 4 hour demand back down to this demand. Um, so if we see that on this session, then that's something I'll look into. But you know, you, we still can't like jump the gun because, like I said, we are at a level where last time price came here, it bounced up. Um, Now I'll tell y'all, like I like to educate myself and keep myself sharp. And someone that I was learning from brought up a great analogy about when price continues to touch an area, right? You got to look at it um like a wall, right? The first time that you punch the wall, it may not like nothing may not happen, all right. But if you keep punching it, soon it's going to be a hole, right? At some point, you're going to be able to punch your way through the wall. All right, so price does the same thing. Where like it's been in this downtrend, and this level is obviously is pretty strong. So we see price like hit it, and it's coming back down to hit this level. So we don't know if the wall is going to actually break yet. But the fact that it's coming back here, we need to be aware of that because we could take advantage of price when it hits these levels. All right, so on the 4 hour, just remember we're on the 4 hour demand level. Price could, you know, decide to shoot back up. So as we go down, um, on the hourly time frame, same thing. We're in the hour demand level. So it's pretty much the same stuff. Like if we can get like a 15-minute break out of this level, we could probably see some pushes to the downside, and then we have this big area to start playing price off of for sales, obviously, or for shorts. Now, like I said, you can take the buys. I think that you are going against the grain, but like some people like to catch the bottom of price to just catch it lower, like just with anything, like if you buying clothes or whatever, right? You want to get it at a discount. the demand levels are discounts, right? Or you sell it at a premium price, which is like the supply zone. So like the demand is you buying at a discount basically. But I like to trade with the trend, so I'm not looking for any type of buys personally. I want price to break through these levels. 15. All right, 15. We got price actually bouncing off of that our demand, all right, and we're getting some pushes up. This is more like a reverse, not a reverse, a retracement. Um, but we are trending down. The market is gonna get exhausted, right? So every time it does that, it starts to come back down, which is why I took some of these trades here. I went break even like twice, 1, 2, right here, and then I caught this. It was a break of structure, uh, I believe on a 5 minute, right, and then I took this down, and that's how I caught my profit here. But like I said, we're on the 15, so these are stronger candles. If the 15 breaks through this, then we could really see price pushing down. But to get to the nitty gritty to really see the trade, oh, here we go. So now you can see the breaker structure from the trades that I took. All right, so this order block is showing that sellers were in control. We have price bounce off of a supply zone, right, at this premium level. And I took a short here. Actually, I'm lying. I won twice. I forgot. All right, so I won one. Then I went break even on the second one, and then I won again. So I won. I don't remember what it was. I want to say it was like $150 something or whatever. I got in again, broke even, and then I think it went up to like 200. And then from here to here, I made like another 200 or 300, something like that. I don't really remember the numbers, but um, yeah. All right, so I got stopped out in profit over here, and now I'm up 467. Okay, now you see the buy is calling out some type of reversal. But remember, like on the hourly time frames, this right here is a demand level. On the 4 hour time frames, this whole thing we're in a demand zone. So um, I mean it's valid to an extent. But like I said, I don't like to trade reversals. I'm more of a person that trades with the trend. And also, like I said, I just want to see some confirmation that price is actually breaking through those demand levels before any shorts. Um, but I could be waiting, and price is shooting up. So I don't know. We're in an interesting area. I'm going to sit on my hands, but obviously, like I said, if you see anything that you like, hey, by all means, it's your account. You can do what you want. If you're looking at the buy and you're like, oh nah, like I like the way this looks for the buy, and do your thing. But that's not what I'm personally looking for. Oh, let me so I don't confuse anybody. Oh yeah, let me see. My bad, y'all. I have not been in the comments, so I don't even know if y'all talking or nothing. Oh, he said preach. I'm trading very light, up nice for the day. Uh, New 4 hour candle. Let it push up. Got a short at VWAP. That was a lower high on the 15. How's your wife and daughter? Well, one, I have um I have sons. I don't have any girls. I thought I was gonna get a girl at my gender reveal, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't make girls.
Don't say that.
Up 60 points.
You don't know if you make them.
I don't make girls, y'all.
Don't say that.
I have I have 2 boys and one on the way. Matter of fact, that's what we're gonna do. At 12 o'clock, we're gonna say happy birthday, Sion. That's what we're gonna do. Y'all heard? That's what we doing at 12 o'clock. I want the whole chat to flood happy birthday, Sion. That's how you spell his name. Hold on. Whoa, I don't know why I edited. I don't know why I edited it for me. It's Syon. The whole chat. Happy birthday, Sion. Yeah. But yeah, yeah, so I'm pretty much just sitting on my hands. I'm waiting. I don't I'm gonna wait for this 15. My boy J Ray Ben, you been killing it. You was killing it in the Discord. I seen you doing your thing. You got some good levels marked up. Oh, he's starting it up early. We could flood the chat. That's cool. That's my boy right here. He said he's out of here. I appreciate you, Boxels. I appreciate it. Gangsta party. Look at you in it. Nothing like family. Yeah, man. I don't know. Like I do want a lot of kids. I do want a lot of kids. But I don't want a lot of like babies, if that makes sense. Babies is crazy. I want to be like old enough, like where like they're like grown and doing their own thing, and I want that part. But the babies, nah, I don't want to do no newborns. No babies, no babies, no newborns, none of that. Nah. Nah.
That's the only way you get it.
What?
A kid without having.
Obviously, I'm just saying like I don't care for that part of like me having a big family. Like that part of it is like I'd rather, yeah. Said those are the best. You think so? I mean, mm. Again, again, again. Yeah, you only get a small time while they're small. It goes fast. Yeah, it does. It does. You know what it is? It's because like I can't really communicate with them. I want to be able to like talk back. I want to see like their personality. Like that's really what I want to do. Like that part of it, I think is dope. Cause like you can have mad kids, and even if they're twins, like they're not gonna be the same person. Like they're everybody's different. So like just seeing a bunch of like little U's with their own personality is crazy. But it's like, why y'all all making the same face? Like I got the same face, but y'all acting different. Like it's like different versions of me. Y'all ever like picture yourself like, okay, like if I tapped into like each I don't even know how to explain it. If I tapped into like each version of myself and it was like different me's, like how would that look? Like, okay, this the geek version of Shaq. This the cool version of Shaq. This the emo version of Shaq. This this the goofy version of Shaq. I am chatting. Nah, nobody's saying I'm chatting right now. I'm chatting y'all. Y'all never thought about that? Like a different different version. It's you, but like it's different versions of you. Watching them develop. My girl is one and doesn't like hugs and kisses. See, and you probably was thinking this whole time, "Oh, I'm gonna have me a little girl. We gonna and she probably like, "All right, nah, I'm not with that." She got her own personality, but she still look like you. She's just a different version of you in real life, like in real time. Like that's what's funny. Yeah, see, she already know. No smoochy smoochy. Let's see what Price wants to do. I kind of like the vibe that I so I was watching some other streamers before I got on, right? I like the vibe they was I'm gonna keep that vibe. Here we go. So we about to switch it up. Y'all tell me if y'all like my music now. Hold on. Hold on. While we wait, you know, we're definitely gonna we're gonna play a classic right here. I like what Price is doing. I like what Price is doing. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Yeah, I like what Price is doing. I just want to see. I want to see some clean breaks below this four. Like so, it's a lower low over here, right? And that's what I'm really looking for. Y'all see this lower low over here? Oh, I gotta check the comments. I'm gonna put it right here so I can see for you. When my knees go weak. I actually need this water for myself. Hand on my pillow, staring out the window. No, I mean I'm not going long. But we are in a demand zone, and I'm just trying to see. So like y'all see where the lower low is? Oh, is this even? Oh, it's not even. Do y'all see where the lower low is over here? Right here, it's a lower low. So right here's a lower low, right? If the 4 hour breaks this lower low, this demand zone is gonna go away. And then we're gonna wait for some retest and play off of that. Now, the area that we're in, obviously, the last time it came here, it pushed all the way back up. But these are 4 hour candlesticks. Um, so I mean, I just want to trade in a direction that is going, if anything. Other than that, I'm sitting on my hands for real. So we have some selling pressure. What's this? So this whole 11 o'clock candle tried to push up. It created a wick. Let's see how it closes in 10 minutes. And then for the 15s, I just want to see it break below this zone, like this level. Which account is giveaway for today? Dumping. Which account is giveaway for today? Y'all think I do giveaways every time, every stream? That's what y'all want me to do? Do giveaways every stream? If I do that, I'm giving away $1. Not even. I gave away money. What, 2 streams ago? I did a spin the wheel. I did a spin the wheel and I gave away some money. Nah, I showed them. I typed in the names, I shuffled the names, and then it spent on its own. She over here talking about she gonna get on the stream. Y'all see how she get anytime I talk about some money or whatever, she just, oh yeah? Now she got something to say. What is going on? Yeah, last stream, yeah, Hunting Pips. I ain't gonna lie, that's a tough name. Hunting Pips is tough. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, that was 2 streams ago. I gave away because all right. So the only reason why I did that was because we hit 100 subscribers. So if we could when we hit 1,000, I'll do another giveaway. So in order for us to hit that, we gotta have engagement, interaction. People gotta like comment. You gotta like so that the stream continues to push out. And also I gotta do my part. I gotta call out some bangers. Call out some bangers. Y'all gonna be y'all coming back. I would double like your stream. I appreciate that. Hunting Pips. Yeah, see? It's a vibe right here. Boom, boom. I'm so into you now. As I was feeling, he on a boat talking about that. I don't remember seeing you when I was on the boat. Damn, that was a different time, y'all. That was a different era. What you? J Ray said he in there. So into you. We're getting some pushes to the downside. I like it. I just want to wait for this lower like I said, this 4 hour lower low break of structure. And then now I know I'm gonna play from this level down. So if you caught the top of this wick right here, You lit. I mean, you caught this right here. Just protect your profit. Make sure you got your stop at break even at least, and then let it do its thing. So, where do I live? And then you call me Snoop Dogg. I look like Snoop Dogg. He said, "Where I live, Snoop Dogg." Stops at break even. All right, tough. You sturdy. You good. I like Snoop Dogg, y'all. That's crazy. He must want to hit some Snoop Dogg. That's probably what he was trying to say. You want to hit Snoop Dogg, bro? That's what you had to say, bro. You ain't have to call me Snoop Dogg, though. Snoop Dogg don't even got braids. Oh, yeah. I'm liking these vibes, though. I feel like the market like these vibes, too. And she actually trending. Like, this is OD. Since, since this morning. Sheesh. See if she breaks these levels. Young Dolph. Looking for buys? Nah, I'm looking for shorts, bro. Price is at a 4 hour demand level. So you know, I'm just waiting for it to break the last lower low on the 4 hour. With a 15-minute candle. If that made sense. I know I kind of went back and forth, but like I'm just waiting for that lower low to get broken with the 15-minute, and then I'm gonna play off of it on the 5 or off of the 1, like for my entries. That's personally what I'm looking for. So J Ray caught this, which is tough. It's a tough entry, and now he's just coasting down. I want the 15-minute to break this level, maybe pull back a little bit up and to hit my EMAs, and then I'll take it down as well. But I took this trade earlier today, and so I'm up already. But you know, I told y'all I was going to stream, so I like to keep my word. That's where we at right now. Oh, no, I'm going away.
Friday.
28 next level down. We've been bouncing from it. That's my next target. Brother, can you explain your setup? What strategies you used? Price action, SMC. Definitely a lot of price action plus liquidation. Explain your setup. What strategies you use? Price action, SMC. All right, so whoa, y'all see that? 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock, y'all. Y'all see that dump? That's wild. That's wild. Yeah. So we got the breaker structure. Let's see if the 15-minute holds. All right, it's saying that we got the breaker structure. So y'all can see like the bot code did it by itself. Like that breaker structure right there. That's the lower low. Um that we were waiting for. All right, so it is 12 a.m. I need everybody to say happy birthday, Sion. Everybody say happy birthday, Sion. And we're gonna actually we're gonna try to scalp the market at the same time. Everybody, I need y'all to say happy birthday, Sion. Say happy birthday to my son. I don't even have it on Market X. Hopefully my entry is still. All right, everybody, happy birthday, Sion. Say happy birthday, Sion. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. I need happy birthdays in the chat for my son, y'all. Flood the chat, flood the chat, flood the chat. And we up. Let's see if we could trail this. Like I said, we already up for the day. And I'm a big time scalper, right? I need happy birthday in the chat. I need happy birthdays in the chat. We up for Sion. We up for Sion today. That's fire. I want like a good little meltdown. And then we're gonna move stops to break even. If I see that two again, that like that 250 ish, I just wanted to I want to melt for real. You know what? I'm gonna do that. Like I said, I'm already up. I already won the day. I'm not gonna sit here and play with y'all like I've been doing before. Come on, come on, come on. It's gonna tag me out. It's gonna tag me out. Hold on, let me see. We still made something off of it. We still made something off of it. Sion, my son. You gotta say happy birthday to him. I'm recording y'all. Happy birthdays. Happy birthday, Sion. I took profit. I took profit. I should have took more. Oh, all right. So I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Because of how the week has been going, I believe that it's going to continue to push down. All right, so he wants to know my strategy. See, I move my stop into profit a little too soon. This is where I would have took this little push right here. Boom. Now we're done. But I'm not gonna chase. I just kind of want to show y'all like how I trade. I was already up. I already made my money. But this is like a move that I would take. And y'all see why I took the move, right? So he wants me to give a breakdown why I did what I did. So before you hopped onto the session, you see how this demand zone is up here? We had one at this lower low, right? So this same exact green candle was at this lower low. All right. I mean, not green candle, this green like zone. It was at this lower low. So I said as soon as we got on the session, if price breaks below this on a 15-minute candlestick, I'm gonna look for shorts. All right. Now I scalp. I like to scalp. I don't sit in the market all crazy all day. Obviously, I already had one earlier. I would have tried to like hold this a little longer, but that's neither here nor there. I was just trying to show you guys how I use this bot, right? And basically, that's literally what happened at the 15 minute. I waited. We sat here, listened to music, waited, set it. Oh, hold on, let it. right? So you see this break of structure. I didn't write any of this. I didn't put this. It's no like no. I didn't do none of this. It did it by itself, right? But I knew what I was looking for. So now we had this big break of structure, and then we just played off of it. So on the 5 minute, which is where I get my entries, we actually had a call out with the bot, right? I entered immediately. Now you're supposed to wait until it closes, but I already knew what I was looking for. We had a break of structure here as well on a smaller time frame. Um, and from this move down, I took that. I didn't play around with my profit. All right. I caught something similar before the stream even started, and I won a trade. I broke even, and then I won another one. So I was pretty much already up before the stream even started. But you know, that's pretty much how I trade. Like these breakout candles, and these impulsive moves, depending on where you're at in the market. Did that make sense, bro? Yeah. So, like I say, if you guys want to learn more from me, if you like how I trade, like I said, I had a pretty rough week. But you know, um, I've been very transparent with my profit. Obviously, I'm trading on a funded account. I was supposed to have like my fourth payout like the first day of this week, but I've been fumbling the bag. So, you guys have been here with me to see everything firsthand. Um, But yeah, something simple like that. I usually I get in and I get out. I make about 2 to 300. I risk about the same. If the trade decides to like continue to go, then I'll trail it. But other than that, I try to keep it simple. What's up, bullish guys? My boy is back. Um, yeah, I don't try to like, you know, hit like home runs every trade, but for some reason this week I've been doing that for entertainment, and I'm not doing it no more. This is how I've been winning. This is how I built my account from the 50K to I had it up to like 63, but I took some L's this week, so um we gonna get it back and some. So I'm not even worried. Like I said, I use proper risk management every day, and it comes with it. It's part of the game. But we're gonna end this week off right with a. I feel like that's a good way to end the week off. 500 on a session. Um, And yeah, I appreciate y'all. So like, wait, I gotta do this one more time. I just have to, right? One more time for my son. I just need everybody to say happy. You don't even have to say his name. You can just say happy birthday, happy birthday, Sion, whatever. Flood it, chat for me one more time. I appreciate y'all for tuning in with me. We'll be back next week. Like I said, if you want to get in touch with me, hit the Discord. Hit me in my Discord. Make sure y'all like. Make sure y'all subscribe. Um, but yeah, yeah. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Um, yeah, we're gonna run it up next week. I got a good feeling about next week. We about to turn this thing up, man. We definitely about to turn this thing up. But all right, I'm gonna get up out of here. What time is it? It's 12. Yeah, y'all know. Yeah, I've been on the stream till like 4 in the morning at one point. But look, the bot doing his thing, y'all. He's doing his thing. But anyway, appreciate y'all. I'm gonna see y'all next week, or I'll see y'all in the Discord. Um, but yeah, deuces. We're gonna vibe out. We're gonna vibe out. Oh, it's a good vibe out song right here. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's a good vibe out song right here. That's a good dub today. What I know. Without, what would I be without my baby? The thought alone, my baby. Target 2 smashed with the bot. I know you're tired of being lonely. What would I be without you? I only think about you. I know you're tired of being lonely. So baby girl, put it on me. I only think about you. I know you're tired of being lonely. So baby girl, put it on me. Yeah, yeah. All right. Snoop Dogg without the Snoop. Yo, Hunting Pips. Make sure you subscribe. Come back. I like the jokes. Being lonely, so baby girl. I know you're tired of being lonely. Know what I'll be without you. I only think about you. I'm tired of being lonely. Alright, for sure. I'm gonna see you. Tear for a tear, an eye for an eye. You know that my heart won't. If you need one, my love, cause I'm yours. The thought alone might break me, and I don't wanna go crazy, but every thought needs a lady. What would I be without you? All right. All right, here we go. I just need 2 seconds, y'all. 2 seconds. All right, we out of here.